Hello everybody and welcome back to Cinnamon English. Today we have number 8 in our verb series, and if you haven't watched the series before, please click on the link below to watch video number 1. Otherwise, let's do it. So today we're doing number 8, which is the future tense, what will you do tomorrow? And the answer is I will and the verb. So, number 1, what will you do tomorrow? I will climb. What will you do tomorrow? I will cook. What will you do tomorrow? I will cut. What will you do tomorrow? I will dance. What will you do tomorrow? I will draw. What will you do tomorrow? I will drink. What will you do tomorrow? I will drive. What will you do tomorrow? I will eat. What will you do tomorrow? I will fly. What will you do tomorrow? I will go. What will you do tomorrow? I will jump. What will you do tomorrow? I will kick. What will you do tomorrow? I will laugh. What will you do tomorrow? I will look. What will you do tomorrow? I will play. What will you do tomorrow? I will read. What will you do tomorrow? I will ride. What will you do tomorrow? I will sing. What will you do tomorrow? I will sit. What will you do tomorrow? I will sleep. What will you do tomorrow? I will stand. What will you do tomorrow? I will swim. What will you do tomorrow? I will walk. What will you do tomorrow? I will write. Fantastic, thank you. Good job. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a look at my website. Otherwise, just have a wonderful day. Thank you again, and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.